Alright guys, we'll be talking about the differences between the cervical collar lymph nodes and the Waldeyer's lymphatic ring. Alright, so because these two structures are like located around the same part of the body, some people tend to actually mix them up, okay? So now we'll be talking about the differences between cervical collar nodes and the Waldeyer's lymphatic ring. Alright, this is MBBS Nigeria. Kindly do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't. The question is, differentiates the cervical collar of lymph nodes from the Waldeyer's lymphatic ring anatomically and functionally. So this is basically cervical lymph nodes. So many other lymph nodes, right? And this is still lymph nodes, all right? But this is the Waldeyer's. I consider the Waldeyer's are located inner, all right? So based on location, we said that the cervical collar lymph nodes are located just above the outer part of the neck, while the Waldeyer's lymphatic ring are located at the entrance of the pharynx. Okay, that's the nasopharynx, right? Entrance of the nasopharynx, where you find the Waldeyer's lymphatic nodes. Okay, then based on components, all right, you know that the Waldeyer's we developed a mnemonic for them that's a PTPL, all right. But let's move accordingly. So the pericervical collar group of lymph nodes is made up of the following components. We have the mental lymph nodes, we have the submandibular nodes, we have the mastoid nodes, we have the parotid nodes, and the occipital nodes. Okay, so I would like us to actually check them out, right? So you see mastoid nodes, occipital nodes, submental nodes. Okay, mental nodes, submandibular nodes, mastoid nodes, parotid nodes, occipital nodes. Okay, they are about the Waldeyer's lymphatic ring. The Waldeyer's lymphatic ring is made up of an aggregation of lymphoid tissue such as pharyngeal tonsils, tubal tonsils, palatine tonsils, lingual tonsils. Right, that's a PTPL. Pharyngeal tonsils, tubal tonsils, palatine tonsils, lingual tonsils. Okay. How about based on the lymphatic drainage pattern? You see that pericervical lymphatic group of nodes drain into the deep cervical nodes. Okay, on the right, deep cervical lymph nodes drain into the right lymphatic angle between the right subclavian vein and the right internal jugular vein. Okay, so on the left, it drains into the left venous angle at the junction of the left subclavian vein and the left internal jugular vein. Just use your atlas to check this up, okay? While the internal ring of Waldeyer's drain into the pericervical chain of lymph nodes and deep cervical nodes, which together form the external ring of Waldeyer's lymphatic ring, okay? Internal ring drains into the pericervical lymph nodes and deep cervical lymph nodes, which form the external ring of Waldeyer. Right? That's a cool story. All right. So guys, that's basically it. And the two structures are different. So lastly, based on their function. So pericervical collar lymph nodes serve as major lymphatic drainage of the scalp, while the Waldeyer's lymphatic ring are aggregation of lymphatic ring at the entrance of the pharynx, which prevents spread of infection. Okay, from oral and nasal cavities into the lower respiratory tract. Okay, so one drain limbs while one serves as immunity. Okay, so guys, that's it about the differences between cervical collar lymph nodes from Waldeyer's lymphatic ring. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial.